Hello everybody, today I am going to show you myself repotting an avocado seed. So here's the seed right here. I have been keeping it in a glass of water, the whole toothpick method, and it started sprouting some pretty nice roots. So I'm hoping it'll do a bit better once I put it in some soil. So I found this already sprouted inside an avocado. It was a locally grown Daily 11 avocado, so really quite massive. Yeah, so this seed probably won't produce any fruit until probably 5 years down the line, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. So this is all I'm going to do with it for now. Eventually it's going to need a bigger pot, but I just want to see how it does in this smaller pot. It's already growing some leaves, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully it doesn't die. Suppose that's a great catchphrase to have in the world of gardening. Hope you don't die. Good luck, avocado. Also, in case anyone was curious, this is a Daily 11 avocado. Pretty big. Here's my face. Here's the avocado. Hopefully, if I'm lucky, I will have a super massive avocado tree in about 5 years' time. Here's an update on my avocado tree. It's not quite a tree yet. Sapling, seedling, sprout. Here it is. This is about a week after putting it in soil. It seems quite a bit happier being in soil than it was in water. I'm sure there's a ton more nutrients for it to absorb. Yeah, I read online that there's a chance that you probably won't get any avocado fruits from something grown from a seed like this. So I guess best case scenario, I do get edible fruits. Worst case scenario, I have this cool plant growing in my house. But yeah, there it is. It's looking pretty cute.